Three people accused of abducting a 4-year-old girl and hiding her from the public for more than 2 years. They were in court late this afternoon.
The girl, now 6 years old, found safely by police on Monday in a hidden space under a staircase. News 10 ABC's Harrison Grubb continues our coverage tonight, joining us live in Saugerties. Harrison?
Sean and Lydia, both Kirk Schultes Jr. and Sr. both briefly appeared in court earlier this afternoon. They'll be back in the courtroom at the end of April. Meanwhile, Paisley's mother, Kimberly, is set to be in court at the beginning of March. 6-year-old Paisley Schultes was located safely underneath a staircase Monday night in what's described as a cold, dark, and wet place. Police were able to locate her after new information allowed them to get a search warrant for the home.
Without that tip pushing police to go there, and that detective who had the wherewithal to keep searching for her, she would still be missing.
The little girl was reported missing in July of 2019 in Tioga County, with authorities believing her biological parents, who lost custody, abducted her.
We don't have that information as to what precipitated that custody removal.
In those 2.5 years, police say she did not receive education and cannot read or write.
And that's a disadvantage. And this is the sad part of this story. She's missed out on that part of life of going to school, and now hopefully she'll have an opportunity to do that.
After being checked by paramedics, Paisley was released in good health to her legal guardian and reunited with her older sister.
This is something that they always felt, that the child was close by. As tragic as part of this story is, there's a good side to this story. And that was being the reuniting of Paisley with her sister. And that was the legal guardian being able to once again retain guardianship of these children.
While she's been reunited, Angeline Hartman from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children says there are still potential challenges.
We don't know what the life she's been living, what she has been exposed to, what she's been told. What is this adjustment phase going to be like? There's so much unknown with this. It is not just wrapped up in a pretty bow. 3 people were arrested in connection with the investigation. Her parents, Kimberly Schultes and Kirk Schultes Jr., as well as her grandfather, Kirk Schultes Sr., were arraigned Monday night. All 3 were charged with custodial interference and endangering the welfare of a child. While Paisley's mother's custodial charge is a misdemeanor, her father and grandfather face a felony. Now, the Saugerties police chief says he expects additional arrests will be coming in the near future. Reporting live in Saugerties, Harrison Grubb, News 10, ABC.